my name is Kang, an exchange student from Korea. I'm a big fan of Professor Lee, and for this project, I created a simple movie recommendation website called Minflix. The name combines my name Minhyo and Netflix, the popular OTT platform. Let me explain the contents of my presentation. This project is not about defining a problem or proposing a solution. Instead, I practiced using existing examples and papers. Since I like recommendation systems and movies, I choose this topic. The project has two main steps: building a content-based recommendation system and creating a website using Streamlit. Let me explain the process. I used a famous dataset called TMDB 5000. The dataset has many details like genres, budgets, and plots. The columns have different formats such as tuples, lists, and strings. I focused on four features: directors, genres, actors, and plot keywords. First, I converted string values into list format. In the crew column, there were various jobs like directors and designers. I created a new column called director by extracting only the director's information. For other columns with dictionary values, I extracted only the required information. For casts, keywords, and genres, I kept only the top three values. I standardized column values by making them lowercase and removing spaces. And to compare for feature vectorization, I combined all columns values into one column. I used a count vectorizer because every character is important. The result was a matrix with 4,803 rows and 11,520 words. This matrix compares 4,803 movies and calculates their similarities. I created an index regis to find the index movie by its title. For example, I could find the index of Avatar by its title, or retrieve the title of the Dark Knight Rises using its indexes. And I made a function to find the top 10 similarities movies based on the similarity matrix. When I entered the Dark Knight Rises, similar movies like The Dark Knight and Batman Begins appeared. When I tested with The Martian, the closest movie was John Carter, and let's compare their details. On the left is The Martian, and on the right is John Carter. Both movies are adventures and science fiction. They also share keywords like based novel and Mars. And I saved the processed data using Picker. In another file, I loaded the Picker files to use in the website. I obtained an API key from TMDB to fetch movie details. I load simple Streamlit code to display titles and a search bar. I added the recommendation function. I set the code to display movie posters. If a poster is unavailable, a default image is shown. After adding loading screens and other details, the website was complete. This is the final website using Streamlit for a content-based movie recommendation system. For example, searching Titanic shows similar movies like Revolutionary Road or VU and 5 Bucks. It means the system works well. Let's watch a short demo. First, I searched for Avengers, and so similar Marvel movies, right? Iron Man and First Avenger. And next, when I searched for Toy Story 2, it showed similar animations like Toy Story 3 or Car 2. It means the system works perfectly. This is the end of my presentation. It was not exactly what the professor requested, but I learned a lot of things. Thank you for this opportunity.